Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to retrieve your AOL mail password. So make sure you watch the video until the end and follow through the prompts. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in mail.aol.com and search. You will then come across the sign-in page for AOL Mail. Type in your username, email or phone number in the text box appearing on the right corner. Click on the next button and you will be prompted to enter your password. If you remember your password, you can simply type it down in the text boxes like this. But if you don't, click on Forgot Password link. Now, select one of the options you would like to use in order to sign into your account. You can verify using your Google account, email ID, or a text message sent on your mobile number. Now enter the rest of the information for your email address or your mobile number and then click Submit. You will need to verify your email or phone number. Simply enter the 6-digit code that you received and click on Next. On the next page, you will get to enter a new password. Type in a new password you would like to set for your account and click on the Continue button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to access to your account with the new password. So that's how you can easily retrieve your forgotten password on AOL Mail. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.